Common question. What is corporate housing arbitrage? Corporate housing arbitrage is when we leverage other people's property. We rent out these properties to a company, a corporation. What kind of companies? So we rent out, here's our rental, right? We rent it, we don't buy it. Why? Because it's arbitrage. We're doing this, we can do 10 of this instead of just buying one home. We're renting it for, let's say, one price, like $2,000 to $4,000 a month. Company would rent it from us for double that. So about 4K to 8K, depending on where you live. If you're in California, it's gonna be 8K. If you're in Texas, it's gonna be 4K. Okay? Why would these companies pay that? Why? Because one, it's cheaper than hotels. Because instead of 4 hotels, they're renting 4 hotels. They just rent one home. Get it? About 50 to 80% cheaper than hotels. Secondly is build better culture. Because the employees the team get to collaborate, get to see each other more like a family style. So it's much better for culture. Third is with insurance housing is for a home, like a home sweet home. Home away from home, right? With insurance, like if you have dogs, you have cats, you're not gonna stay in hotels. And mama is happy when she have her own backyard, have her kitchen. She can cook for the family, save a lot of money versus going out and eat because you stay in a hotel all the time. So it's a win-win-win for everybody. Make sense? So therefore, these companies would absolutely pay because they don't have the time. They'd rather pay us to do it, right? And when we do it, we make money from it for years and years, decades and decades to come. It's pretty simple formula for you to get financial freedom. You rent it for 2 to 4K, you rent it out for 4 to 8K, you make about 2 to 4K a month profit per month, depending where you live. If you're in California, you make about 4K a month. If you're in like Texas or any kind of Midwest, you make about 2K a month. So it's all good, right? You're still making consistent, predictable income. That is the most important thing, consistent, predictable income. You don't want it to be going up and down like crazy like e-commerce, online sales, right? Because there's new competition. AI is disrupting everything. AI is disrupting almost all the major industry. However, where you and I be sleeping, they cannot disrupt that because we need places to sleep. So people will always pay to have bigger, better places to sleep and to stay, right? That's why I do this. It's a main business. I look at dozens of different kind of businesses, from Amazon to eBay to drop shipping to MLM to everything.
Nothing compared to this.
Because the amount of risk involved, this is real estate. So it's a lot less risky than a lot of those fly-by business, right? This is predictable, consistent income backed up by real estate. This one you can get up and running within weeks. My record student done 5 properties within a month and they're making 15, 20K a month passive income. And the best part is he flew back to another country and lived there for 5 months while this making money. So with traditional real estate, the risk is tremendous because you're putting all your eggs in one basket. You're buying one property. With any kind of franchise business, if something happened, what happened to that? Gone. Versus I can put it in like 10, 20, 30 different corporate housing, diversify my basket. So I have in multiple baskets, multiple sources of income. So if 2 of these houses go down, let's say this one down, but hey, I have like 30 more going for me. That's only like 5% of my income. I don't care. You see what I'm saying? So the risk is very minimal here. And the reward, when you're talking about risk, you're talking about the reward as well. The reward is like 10x versus any other traditional business. Speed is so important. You gotta have that speed because you make money 10 times faster, because instead of buying one home, you can leverage 10 other homes. You make it 10 times faster, you see? And then you make that profit, you turn it back into the business and keep turning, investing back into the business and have that velocity of income. So with that, guys, if you want to learn more about this, send us a DM and we will give you an hour free consultation with my top advisor, breaking it down for you step by step on how you can do this business as well. We help hundreds of people just like you nationwide, break it down for you, give you a strategy for you to take your business to the next level, your life to the next level, and that way you get financial freedom now. This year is your year. Now is your time, guys. Don't wait, and we help you every step of the way. This is Dr. Chau. Share this, like this, help other people subscribe.